Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to wipe any Android phone and reset it to factory settings. Whether you are selling it, giving it away, or just want a fresh start, let's just get right into it. First, make sure to back up your data because the factory reset will erase everything: your apps, photos, contacts, and settings. Once you are ready, go ahead and open the Settings app on your Android phone. Now scroll down and tap on System, then choose Reset Options. On some phones, you might find it under General Management, or just type Reset in the Settings search bar. Next, tap on Erase All Data Factory Reset. You'll see a list of what will be erased. Scroll down and tap Reset Phone. If you have a PIN, password, or fingerprint lock, you'll need to confirm it. Then just tap Erase Everything and delete all, and the phone will restart. The reset process usually takes a few minutes, and that's it. You have successfully wiped your Android device and reset it to factory settings. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.